Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up and get started using Jira. So you guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is open up your Internet Explorer of choice and go to google.com. After doing that, you want to follow me and type in the following sentence into Google. Go ahead and type in download Jira. After doing that and typing in download Jira and searching for this, you'll be greeted by this page here, and you want to go into the result that says download Jira software server. Go ahead and click on that, and you will be greeted by this main page here where we will be able to download the Jira software. So go ahead and find your scroll down a bit, and here you'll be greeted by this page. You can download either the latest release or long-term support release. We will go ahead and download the long-term support release. You will want to click here and select your operating system if you have an OS or Linux or Windows, so on, so on. So we have a Windows. Go ahead, click what operating software you have, and go ahead and click on the big blue download button. Agree to the terms and services and click on OK. As you can see here, guys, now the download has started for me. So after doing that and after the download has finished, you want to go ahead and click on install of Jira. Go ahead, just follow the steps. It is very easy. Just go click next, and after doing that, guys, you'll have a new file, new folder opened up, installed on your computer where you install Jira, which is called Jira. So you want to come here and you want to enter this folder, and to start up your Jira server, you want to go and click and open up this Jira Play option. After clicking on Jira Play, this will start your server, and after doing that, you want to click on the Launch Jira in Browser option. As you can see here, guys, now this has opened up this option in my Internet Explorer. I'll just go ahead and copy this to my Google Chrome, and here, after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page here. In this main page here, guys, you'll be able to see all your dashboard, your project, and so on, so on. If you want to find out how to get started using creating a project, then go to our other video where we explain how to create your own project. But yeah, guys, this is how you get started using Jira. After you're done using Jira and you want to exit the server, just go back to the folder where you started Jira, and you go ahead and double click on the Jira stop option. Clicking this will stop the Jira option. As you can see here, this Tomcat option tells me that my Jira server is running, and it will start for you as well when you will start your Jira server. But yeah, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you started. Go ahead and watch our other videos to find out how to create projects. But yeah, guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.